The forests of eastern Ontario seem relatively quiet. But as it is getting colder, it seems that there are more birds around. Can this be true? Let's take a look around. The song sparrow has been our constant companion since the early days of spring. But the other day, I noticed a different kind of sparrow. This sparrow is much darker than the song sparrow. Its yellow lores, darker coloring, and white throat tell us it is the white-throated sparrow. Is it actually easier to see the white-throated sparrow in the fall and spring compared to the summer? Let's take a look at 2,591 checklists submitted to eBird in 2017 that reported the white-throated sparrow. For each day, I computed the average observations of the white-throated sparrow per hour. This quantity is on the y-axis and is plotted against the date on the x-axis. This plot suggests that the peak months for the white-throated sparrow are May and October. Other months may be overrepresented here because birders often go out of their way to find rare birds. Therefore, I made a second plot where instead of the average number of white-throated sparrows per hour, I plotted just the number of checklists on that day reporting at least one white-throated sparrow. Both these plots suggest that it is indeed much easier to see the white-throated sparrow in the spring and fall compared to the summer and that horrible season which I will not name. But it is not just the migration that makes birds so interesting in the fall. Even birds common almost all year round are exhibiting new behaviors. Do you remember in the spring when we saw adult ring-billed gulls diving for crayfish in the Rideau River? How do they learn how to do this? To find out, let's visit a beach where hundreds of ring-billed gulls are gathered in a colony. Here, I discovered that the immature gulls are playing a game. The young gulls will pick up inanimate objects such as sticks and rocks and fly with these objects in their bill. Then, the young gull will drop the object and attempt to catch it in mid-air. Sometimes, 2 or 3 gulls will play in multiplayer mode and attempt to catch each other's dropped objects. By having fun with this simple game, these gulls will hone their hunting precision and learn to catch their food for many years to come.